Alright guys, I got the butter in the pan. We'll go ahead and put that on medium, because it's time. You guessed it. We're making Pokemon pancakes. So step one, as you know, is to get that butter, oops, go ahead. You want to get the butter just like melted all around. Look at that. Yeah. That's what I like to see. That right there is what I like to see. Okay, so you melt the butter. And now, if you've ever made pancake art before, you know there are two rules. The first rule is you want to have your pancake batter ready to go. And the second rule is there are no rules. Since we're making Pokemon pancakes, I'll teach you guys how to start with an easy early one. What's that? I got like a big glob on there. Now you might be asking, Brody, why aren't you using colors? The answer is simple. If you can't do art in black and white, then you don't deserve to do art. Think about all the greatest, artists of our time in film. Akira Kurosawa, Alfred Hitchcock, the movie Schindler's List. None of those ever had color, and so to say that I need to use color is absurd. And we want to get the Pokeball line. You know what I mean. The longer you go, the darker you go. This isn't working. I gotta get a... That's how you know it's really working. But you want to think, I gotta cook this too long. It's gotta be too long. But we are at the stage where we can add the top half of the Pokeball. There really isn't a better way to do this. I wish there was, like... Oh, that's a spicy meatball. Just kidding, it's gonna be a Pokeball. Oh, you can see it starting to crisp on the edge there? See that crisp? Crisp on the edge? That means it's time. Do our outline very slowly. Don't run out, you fucker. And just get it all in there. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, if you know what I'm saying. Haha. Okay, now we get to do one of those big reveals. You know when they flip them over and it's you find out what it is? Okay, now we can flip it. Okay, now we can flip it. And get ready to... Oh, whoops, don't break. Get ready to reveal. Well, the first one never turns out good, so I'll just put that there. Put that there. Get a little more butter. Come on. Yes. All right, what do we want to make next? I vote Bulbasaur. I think Bulbasaur would be a good one to do. So, Vine Whip. Wow, this is turning into a Bulba savior of breakfast, huh? All right, let's flip this cute guy over and see how he looks. Oh, shit. Shit. Hold on. Shit. Oh, fuck, I fucked it up. Okay, there we go. Nope. You can always put them back together later. It's not a big deal. It's not the end of the world. As long as you cook it up this way, you can put them back together on the plate. Let's see, we'll just Put that there. There's his head. He's got his ear. Those are his eyes. His bulb. And his nice dinosaur body with his vine whip. And then we have the Pokeball. Alright folks, so there you have it. There's more than a few ways to make a fun Pokemon breakfast. And if you like this idea, like, comment, subscribe, and send your kids at home. Goodbye. You can really smell the sizzle through the screen, I bet.